This is my 1942 South Bend Heavy 10. I picked this lathe out of a basement in New Jersey in pieces and then completely restored it about 10 years ago. It's mostly complete in terms of all of its accessories. And what I did was, following Robin Renzetti's solid tool post videos, I pretty much followed his recommendations of how things work step by step. So there is a pin between the tool post and the tool post riser. There are 2 set screws here that are used to preload the tool post against the pin. It's then clamped down, and the bottom of the riser is lapped flat after preloading the tool post to create a flat mounting surface so that you don't torque and twist the cross slide, which can result in premature wear. I also 3D printed some TPU rubber bolt hole covers, and there's a hidden bolt down here that it's actually captive just through design oversight, but I was able to address that after the fact. I also have some custom sheet metal guarding. This one is just a little accessory for extra chip protection, and it allows me to hold my coolant, oil, and IPA. The IPA is for aluminum. I do have a lamp mounted in the back, as well as a Newald DRO, which are very high-end units that I really prefer. These ones aren't even terribly expensive. The NMS 300 retails for about $1,200 currently. Who knows what that price is at the time of watching this video. But then I just got my Bambu H2D, so I used the vinyl cutter to cut gasket covers. That worked really, really well. I'm impressed with the Bambu H2D's vinyl cutting capabilities and the various different ways that we can use that moving forward. I think that's a great addition. I do have the laser, but with the side effects associated with using a laser inside of a 3D printer, I'm not sure that I am in a rush to use it when a vinyl cutter will work perfectly. To go along with this, I have all my tool posts or tool holders mounted on 3D printed brackets to the side of my Vidmar cabinet. Let's see, we'll flip the knife switch, which turns on the lathe, the DRO, and the lamp. This control panel I made a long time ago. Let me get it in focus. I made that a long time ago, and it displays RPM off of a tachometer, and you can actually dial in. I did not design this part, but I bought it. You can dial in the size stock you're running. And so let's see, 1/2 inch stock. And then I can go to surface feet per minute. And if I turn the lathe on, it's actually reading the surface feet per minute of the stock that I punched in. So it lets you quickly know if you're running within recommended ranges. You know, stainless steel, you'd run much slower. 12L 14, you can run faster. Brass, you can run as fast as you ever wanted to. DRO is mounted under there for the X axis, and then the Z axis DRO is back here. The shroud or the skirt kind of protects the top of the DRO. And then these haven't settled yet, but I do have little tails, little skirts back here that when I put the taper attachment back on will help keep that clean. The other side is not mounted yet, but you can see. And I think that about covers it. I'm really happy. I bought all the sheet metal guarding after I designed it from Sencut Send, and it was less than $200 for the guarding delivered. The casting is custom cast iron casting that I designed and outsourced, and then I did the secondary machining. And that pretty much covers that. This machine, I've been using it for 10 years. It looks clean now, but that's because I detailed it prior to taking this video. But she will be very dirty again sometime soon. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.